Morning all, it's Paul from Source Sounds in Sheffield. Here we've got a Kia Sportage 62 plate. I've actually fitted one of these KENWOOD 5020 DABS in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk you through what we've done, show you inside the vehicle, show you all working. It really is a fantastic unit. And now obviously with the 3-year warranty on this unit, these systems are working really well, looking great. And actually, to be fair, if you want CarPlay or Android Auto in your car, it's really a very good system to use. I'll show you now. Okay, so we're now inside the vehicle. I've turned the ignition on and the KENWOOD unit is now booting up. Now with this unit again, in the dashboard there, you can see the fascia. This bit that we've replaced around here looks really nice. This fits in the dashboard lovely, and that's fetched up the CarPlay because obviously we've put our phone in the glove box down here. And you can see that fits absolutely fantastic. With this unit as well, obviously it didn't have DAB, so we fitted that really nice discreet DAB aerial there. And then also with this, it has its own separate microphone, which we've mounted up by the rear view mirror there, just in the middle, so you can just see it up there. So for further information on adding CarPlay to your Kia Sportage or any vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.